I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 12 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is something with holes. I've got these bowling balls. A sunset, got that. And down here it says a body of water, so we've got that also. Something found in the mountains, we've got this deer. A fence, so we've got this fence. And bonus is lined papers. I've got assorted lined papers. So I hope everybody's doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. Well, be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2026CWP12. So I'm just going to kind of make a collage with this lined paper. This one I kind of struggled with this week. It just doesn't want to flow. It's not going to make much sense. I'm not even sure I like how it'll look, but they all can't be winners, can they? Let's see. Oh, let's see how I want that to go. Okay. And I want to bring that. I was going to hit it, kind of make it look like dirt and grass. I hope everybody's been doing good. I hope your Sunday will be a great one, or is a great one, depending on when you're watching this. Or was a great one. Okay. And we're going to add that down here. I just pulled some whatever I could find. All right. There we go with that. So I am going to put this up there, I'm thinking. And we can have don't want to hide the water, do we? We have that, and then I'm thinking the deer can go down there. So I'm going to just tack that down. Well, we're just going to get it down. But not a whole lot going on with me. I'm filming this on Friday. Maybe I can get my house clean tomorrow. And if I do that, maybe I can just have some time to play. I don't do that enough in here. Okay. And we've started watching, my husband and I, pull this antler off. Of course I did. And my husband and I started watching The Runaways. I read the comics. I remember enjoying them. It's been a while. I can't remember. There we go. And I'm not sure what the bowler has to do with all of this. And he just decided to show up. So that's fun anyway. Let's see if I can find anything else to add to it. Let's see here. Find my thing of flowers. Everything gets hidden over here. Some flowers down here just to help it along. And let's see here. He's already I like these. So I am going to add those. See if I can find something not quite so. Yeah, if we can take that off, and we'll just add this. And see if there's anything else. Like that. Why not? Anything to add to it. Yay, I found my pen. Okay. And I have, maybe we can add a few butterflies. See if I have some small enough. They will probably be too big, but we'll see. I really don't mind if they're out of proportion. I like surreal. And we need one more for good measure. There we go. Maybe I'd rather. Okay. Have that go there. And this go here. I hope my paper's not too shiny. Well, I'm on a roll. I found my pen again. Okay, now And let me put this down. Okay. 3 times. Let's see what we've got. We have something with holes. We've got the bowling balls. Sunset. Something found in the mountains. We've got the deer. A fence. We've got that. A body of water. We've got that. And the bonus is lined paper, and we have got that. So this one is short and sweet. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2026 CWP12. So y'all take care. I love you. Have a wonderful week. And until next time, bye y'all.